everyone, this is me Supriya and welcome back to Cosplay Genie powered by Nordwind Gaming. So I am going to cosplay as Alvida from ZANGEKI No Regionally, which is a Nintendo character. So first I'm going to start with the prop, that's the sword. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
So for the sword, I'm going to draw the pattern onto the paper. And now I'm done with the designing, so let's cut it out with a pair of scissors. So in order to make the base strong, I'm using PVC wire covers. Placing the pattern onto it and then cutting. You guys must be thinking, how am I cutting this so easily? It wasn't difficult and it was not that thick. To make it more stronger and stable, I'm pasting this wooden stick onto it. So after covering it, I will cover the base with the masking tape. And now I will trace the sword onto the foam sheet and then I will cut it. And now I'm going to paste the foam cutout onto the base and I will repeat the same process for the other side of the sword. Can't you see what we're about? And here I am bringing the sword into the shape. And using heat gun over here. And now I'm going to work on the handle, or let's say grip of the sword. So here I am using 4mm sheet and cutting out the pattern according to the design of the sword and then applying the heat gun. And now let's cover the grip with 2mm EVA foam sheet. Here I am drawing the rough design of the grip and then I will make the pattern by myself onto the EVA foam sheet. So with the help of heat gun, I will shape the EVA foam sheet however I want it to be. And here I am working on the cover of the sword. I'm going to draw the pattern of the sword cover directly onto the EVA foam sheet for both of the sides, the front and the back side. And in order to paste them together, I'm going to apply glue gun on the edges of the sword cover. And then heat gun. And then in the next process, I'm going to cover it with the synthetic glue. Wait for it to dry and then let's color it. So I wanted to color the black part but didn't want it to spoil the other part, so I'm just going to cover it with masking tape and then I'll just spray it. Repeating the same process on the other side. Few more details are needed, so I'm just going to cut out the patterns and place onto the area which needs to be painted. Even after covering, sometimes you do not get the required results, so hand painting is also an important part, which is playing over here. And at last, adding more highlights to the sword.
So that's all for today's video and I hope you guys like this tutorial, and I will be uploading more DIY videos of this character on Cosplay Genie, so do not forget to like, share and subscribe.